Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you real quick how to delete apps on iPhone from Settings. Open Settings, tap General, then tap iPhone Storage. Right here you're going to see all your apps with how much space they take. Scroll the list, tap the app you want to delete, tap Delete App, confirm Delete App again. Okay, that's it, app gone already. If the delete option isn't showing up, open the Settings app, scroll to Screen Time. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Enter your screen time passcode if it asks. Next, tap iTunes and App Store purchases. Then tap Deleting Apps and choose Allow. Now head back to iPhone Storage in Settings and try deleting the app again. Hope this works like a charm. Anyway, if you just want to free up space without keeping the data, use Offload app instead. So yeah, that's the bright and smart way to clean up apps straight from Settings without hunting around the home screen. Drop a like if this helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips ahead.